Hi guys, I'm your dentist Dr. Rajat Sachdeva, and a lot of my patients have been asking me, should I replace my amalgam fillings? Now, amalgam or silver fillings have been used over a century and have been a reliable way of restoring a tooth that is decayed or broken. Although the mercury in amalgam is toxic, and if the amalgam fillings you have are in good condition and are not worn or chipped or broken, then it may be better for those fillings to remain in place. However, if you have amalgam fillings that are old, we recommend that you have to get them removed and replace it with a tooth colored composite resin. अमालगम और composite resin का जो difference है वो मैं आगे आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगा. Now every case will be different, so here are the number of things to consider when deciding if it is the time to replace your amalgam fillings. Now amalgam fillings have a limited time span, unlike the composite resin fillings, which are chemically bonded to your teeth, and an amalgam filling is packed into the area of your tooth much like a filling in a pothole. Over time, these fillings will start to wear away, exposing spaces where the bacteria can sneak in and start causing tooth decay. And if a filling wears out, allowing for a decay to get into your tooth, then it is time to replace that filling before bacteria can enter into the deeper tooth structures and it cause potentially costly treatment or tooth loss or maybe an implant. The life of an amalgam filling is about 10 years. Amalgam fillings reaction to the temperature changes. Now there is a difference in expansion and contraction of this metallic alloy compared to the normal tooth structure with temperature changes when eating or drinking. Now these ongoing expansions and contractions place stress onto your tooth with every thermal cycle. Now I don't want to get too technical. Young healthy teeth are resilient and can stretch with a filling. And about the mid-30s, this natural resiliency start to diminish and stress that the tooth previously tolerated eventually cause stress cracks and fractures eventually. Also, the amalgam fillings expand over time. Now, amalgam alloys slowly expand over time due to chemical reaction with a trace amount of zinc in the material. Yes, zinc in the material as it reacts with the water, that is saliva. Now this causes a gradual swelling, expansion of the filling, which can place a lot of additional stress onto the tooth at a time where the tooth is already getting weaker. Now this can lead to significant cracks or fractures. Amalgam can deform under persistent mechanical stress. Now this metallurgic property of amalgam is called static creep. This means as you are continuing putting pressure, chewing pressure onto the top of your tooth, the filling gradually flattens out and swells away sideways, which places further stress onto the tooth. Also, amalgam contains mercury. Mercury क्या है? It is an amalgam filling which is made up of roughly 50% of mercury. Old amalgam fillings that have worn down can potentially lead to an increased health risk of mercury being released into the body through the inhalation of mercury vapors, ingestion or absorption through the soft tissues in the mouth. Now amalgam fillings can also cause discoloration of your natural tooth. वो कैसे? वो मैं अभी बताता हूँ. Just like any other metal, the metal components in amalgam can corrode. And in old amalgam filled teeth, the corrosion can lead to natural tooth structure absorbing small metal particles into the dentinal tubules and enamel prisms, causing dark discoloration of the teeth that can often be noticed. Amalgam fillings are not even aesthetically pleasing. Now when you smile or laugh, amalgam fillings are noticeable, unlike the composite resins. For many people, replacing their amalgam fillings with white or tooth color composite resin material instead enables them to regain their self-confidence in their smile. And tooth color fillings are practically invisible. Now, what is our approach to replace amalgam fillings? Now, we prefer to remove old amalgam fillings as soon as the filling or the tooth is compromised. We recommend that the removal is not delayed, as a compromised filling can lead to fractures or cracks in the tooth, which only gets bigger and deeper with time. Cracks can cause sharp pain, and if bacteria invades the tooth or enters through the nerve pulp of the tooth, then more extensive treatment may be required. Example, a root canal treatment. We always try to avoid this from happening. We use rubber dam to isolate any tooth that is having an amalgam filling removed, so that no amalgam is released into the mouth, as well as using copious amount of water with high speed suction to prevent aerosol of the amalgam. Replacement with composite resin filling allows the tooth to be remodeled to restore tooth morphology, strength and function. मैंने कोशिश की है कि आपको बहुत प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट में बस समझाना। थोड़ा टेक्निकल हो गया है वीडियो, बट मैंने जो पॉइंट्स कवर किए हैं बताता है, दर्शाता है कि अमालगम फिलिंग्स के फंक्शन क्या हैं और उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी क्या है। अगर आपको कोई भी सवाल पूछने हैं अमालगम फिलिंग, कॉम्पोजिट रेजिन और इनलेज ऑनलेज के बारे में, तो आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। हमारे YouTube वीडियोस, Instagram, Facebook पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं, और आपका कोई भी सवाल होगा वी विल बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर। मेरे Google बिजनेस पेज पे भी बहुत सारे सवाल पेशेंट्स ने पूछे हैं, और स्टेम सेल्स के बारे में मेरे पेशेंट्स बहुत सारे बातें पूछ रहे हैं। तो इनकी नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो होगा वो मैं स्टेम सेल पे बनाने वाला हूँ। और इस वीडियो पे अगर कोई भी सवाल है तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन पे मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, एंड वी विल बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प। आई होप दिस हेल्प्स। थैंक्स अ लॉट।